Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can use the MCP client with Firebase GenKIT with Node.js as well as Gemini. So let's get started. So here you can see I have just created one simple folder named my app. You can name it whatever you feel like, and I have already cd into that my app inside our terminal as well. Then I just need to run npm init -y. So this will create the package.json file for us, as you can see over here. Now we need to install few dependencies. So first one is this GenKIT Google AI. So I'll just copy this, and here I'll just type npm install @GenKIT dash Google dash AI slash Google AI, and we also need to install GenKIT AI MCP. So I'll just paste that over here as well. Click on enter, so it will install the dependencies for us. In the meantime, what I'll do, I'll just copy this code, and here I'll just create an index.ts file and I'll paste it over here. Now here our MCP server is pretty simple. So here we have added all the imports. Here we create our MCP client. Here you can name it whatever you feel like. So this is the MCP server which will get running. So what it basically does is the model context protocol / server file system. So it takes it lists down all the files which are present inside your current working directory. So that's what this CW means. Then here we just create our GenKIT. Here we pass our Google AI. So here I can just create an API key. I can just pass my Google API key. So to create an Google API key, you can come to this URL, click on create API key over here. Let's just wait. Yeah, here I'll just select Gemini API and click on create API key in existing project. I'll just copy this API key and I'll paste it over here. Then here we just run a function. So here we just do await fs client.ready. So we want the MCP client to be ready. Then we get the active tools and pass AI to this the AI object which we have created. Then we just do AI.generate, and here I'm passing Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is the latest free tier Gemini model. So if you are watching this way in the future, make sure you use whatever is the latest at the time of you guys watching the video. And here I'm all telling it to do is list the files in the current working directory, and here we are just passing this fs tools. And then whatever it gives us, I'm just printing it to the console, and once that is done, I'm just disabling our MCP client as well. So now to run it, I'll just clear everything out. Okay, to run it you can just do npm tsx index.ts, and hopefully it should give us the files which are inside of our project. Okay, so here you can see it has given all the files which are present inside my project. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.